Hello dear students, today we will start with our new chapter of grammar, that is adverbs. So, what are adverbs we have already done in the previous class? Adverbs are words that modify a verb. For example, he typed quickly. Now how did he type? So type is a verb and he typed quickly. Second is an adjective. For example, she cooked a very tasty meal. So how tasty was the meal? That is described. Next is another adverb. For example, the man jumped over the fence quite carefully. Now, carefully is already an adverb. So, also, how did he jump? It was quite carefully. Adverbs often tell us when, where, why, or under what conditions something happens or happened. Adverbs generally end in ly, however, many words and phrases not ending in ly serve an adverbial function, and an ly ending is not a guarantee that a word is an adverb. So now it is not compulsory that the words ending with ly will be adverbs only. Okay. For example, the words like lovely, lonely, motherly, friendly, neighborly are adjectives, they are not adverbs. Next is adverbs can modify adjectives, but an adjective cannot modify an adverb. Thus, we would say that the students put up a truly wonderful performance. Next we have is like adjectives, adverbs can have comparative and superlative forms to show degrees. So you know the degrees already. For example, if we have of faster, so fast, faster, fastest. So this is the different types of degrees. We often use more and most, less and least to show degree with adverbs. So now we have with gloves on, he could operate more quickly on the patients. So now we are adding in this more, most, less and least words. After that we have the as adverb as construction can be used to create adverbs that show the positive degree. Now they are comparing it. So they are adding words like as fast as. Next we have the adverb than construction can be used to create adverbs that show the comparative degree. For example, his sister can run faster than he can. So this is the comparison between the both. And the last we have is the adverb construction can be used to create adverbs that show the superlative degree. Now superlative degree we will add, so it would be the youngest brother runs the fastest. So students, here we complete today's video and I will be sending you the PDF for the next exercise. Thank you.